Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by confirming the basics. Check num lock and immediately toggle it while watching the number pad. Once done, test an external keyboard or the laptop's built-in keys to isolate hardware versus system behavior. Make sure the keyboard layout and language match your expectations, because mismatched layouts can map number keys differently. Also open a simple text editor to capture keystrokes as you test, so you can see whether numbers register or the keys produce other characters. Next, focus on drivers and interfering software. Open Device Manager and update or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard driver. Modern systems will redetect it at reboot. Once done, boot into safe mode to determine if a startup app or utility is remapping keys. Use the built-in keyboard troubleshooter and verify regional input or language packs, because software remapping often hides there. If you recently installed utilities that intercept keys, disable or remove them, and test again to see if numbers behave normally. Finish by isolating hardware faults and restoring settings. Try a different USB port or wireless receiver, and if available, swap in another keyboard to confirm physical failure. Reset keyboard-related settings, remove custom mappings, or use System Restore to a point when numbers worked. Reboot fully and retest in multiple apps. If issues persist, test with a live USB operating system to bypass your installed OS. This single troubleshooting tip quickly tells you if the problem is hardware or the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.